Hello everyone, I welcome back you all again to the another video. I am Deepika, currently pursuing my first year BE at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Audi section. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the subject called Computer Aided Engineering Drawing, and the today's topic is Introduction to the Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. Today in this video, I will be discussing about introduction, drawing instrument required, types of lines and the quadrant system. A computer-aided design is the use of computer technology to aid in the design and drafting of products and building. CAD software allows the designer to create a 2D and 3D models, visualize the concept, and stimulate how design will perform in the real world. CAD as a design process by increasing the efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration among the design teams. The CAD inlines. Lines are one of the basic geometric elements in a CAD, used to connect the points and the defined shape. In a CAD, lines are defined by the 2 points, indicates the start and the end position of the line. Lines can be straight, curved, or a complex shape and are crucial for creating the geometry in an CAD drawings. Planes in CAD. Planes in CAD are the flat surface that extend infinitely into the two dimension. Planes are essential for creating the sketches and defining the orientation of object in a 3D model. CAD software allows the designer to create and manipulate the plane to build a complex geometric shapes and structure. Some of the tools are used in an CAD like line, circle, rectangle, trim, extend, copy, mirror, move, and the off. Some of the angles in a different quadrants are in the quadrant 1, 0 is less than 90 degree. Quadrant 2, 90 degree is less than 80 degree. In quadrant 3, 80 degree is less than 270 degree. In the quadrant 4, 270 degree is less than. The principal planes of the projection are in HP means horizontal plane, VP means vertical plane, PP or LLP means profile plane. We have to take the thickness of the XY line as 0.35 mm, thickness of the thick line as 0.50 mm, thickness of the thin line we have to take 0.13 mm, the thickness of the point we have to take 2.0 mm, thickness of the projection lines we have to take 0.13 mm. The inside angle of the pentagon is 108 degree and the outer angle is 72 degree. Inside angle of the hexagon is 120 degree and the outer angle is 60 degree. In the front view, we represent as A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. In the top view, we represent as A, B, C, D. In the side view, we represent as A double dash, B double dash, C double dash and D double. Now let us see the advanced features for points, planes and lines in an CAD. CAD software offers a advanced tool for manipulating points such as clouds for capturing the detailed spatial data. Advanced CAD feature allows the designer to create the complex plane including offset planes, parallel planes and the angle planes. The CAD software controls the overlines with optional for creating a lines, arcs and the other curved elements with specific dimension and constraint. Now let us solve a problem on a line. A line AB is inclined to HP at 30 degree and VP at 45 degree. The end of a line is 50 mm above the HP and in an VP. The projection lines are the line of AB is 70 mm. We have to take 70 mm. Now draw a XY line of 0.35 mm. From the text box, select the text and name it as X and Y. Above the XY line, we name it as an VP and below the XY line, we name it as an HP. In the given question, the end of A is 50 mm above the HP and in an VP, we have to draw a 50 mm on above the XY line. We have to select the line of 0.13 mm. We have to give a length 15 mm and 90 degree. and we have to draw a reference line and mark the distance. In the given question, they have given 30 degree at HP and 45 degree at VP. We have to take in an reverse. We have to take 30 degree at VP. Now select a line of 0.13 mm. Give the length as 70 mm and angle is 30 mm, 30 degree. And name it as A dash and B dash and measure the angle, that is 30 degree, and measure the distance, and we have to draw an angle below the XY line, that on H, that is HP. Now select a line of 0.13 mm. Now give a length as 70 mm and we have to give minus 45 degree, and using the text box select the text, name it as A, B, and now measure the distance and measure the angle, that is 45 degree. Now draw a reference line, that is locus spot line, now select a line of 0.13, a continuous line. We have to extend this line till 15 mm and we have to cut the arc at the intersect point. We have to draw a line and measure the angle. We got 45 degree. Now extend the line till XY line. Same, we have to cut the arc at the intersect point. We have to draw a line and measure the angle. That is 55 degree. We got the correct angle. Now we have to mark the arrow marks. We have to select the leader. We have to show the arrow mark through the downward direction. And these lines we have to make it to 0.50 mm. And we have to cut the unwanted lines using the trim option. Now let us see a problem on a place. The given question is the regular pentagon lamina of 25 mm side is resting on one of its corner on HP while the sides opposite to the corner touches the VP. If the lamina makes an angle 60° with HP and 30° with VP, draw the projections of lamina. Now we have to select a XY line of 0.35 mm using the text box. Select the text and name it as X and Y. Now we have to construct a pentagon. So we have to give a length 25 mm and 0°. First we have to give 0°. Now select a line of 0.13, 25, 0°. Now enter again 25 and we have to give 72 into 1 and same 25 mm and 72° into 2. Now 72° into 3 and we have to join this line. Now we have to select this and we have to rotate using the text box. Select the text and name it as A, B, C, D and E. This line should be in angle 0.50 mm. Now we have to take a line of 0.13, extend this line to the XY line. and name it as A dash. B is visible but E is not visible. So B dash bracket E dash. C is visible. D is not visible. This is the first position. Now we have to draw a second position. We have to take a 60 degree on VP. Now select a line of 0.13 mm. Now select this line and move as we have to copy. Now we have to rotate to 60 degree and name it as A dash, B dash, E dash, C dash, D dash. So we have to extend these lines till low. And we have to erase this line. Now select plus center. Now take 0.13 mm and extend this line till A. E. Now we have to draw it. We have to take 0.50 mm and name it as ABCD. This is in a second position. Now we have to select the second position. We have to move and copy. We have to again select and rotate to XY line. Now we have to take 0.13 and extend these lines. Now join using 0.50 mm. and name it as A dash, B dash, C dash, and C dash. This is A dash, C dash, C dash, B dash, and E dash. And now we have to mark the arrow marks towards upward direction, and this is for downward direction. And we have to measure the angle here in the second position. This is the first position. This is the second position and third position. Using the second position, we have to rotate this, and unwanted light we can trim it